Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where we explore the most exciting rides transforming the road. Today we're diving into something that isn't just a vehicle. It's a full-blown luxury experience. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, and trust me, it's basically a 5-star hotel on wheels. Now picture this, you're cruising down the highway, but instead of cramped RV space, you're surrounded by elegance, high-tech features, and comfort that rivals a luxury penthouse. Kenworth has taken the iconic T2000 and reimagined it as the ultimate motorhome, blending raw trucking power with jaw-dropping luxury. Step inside and the first thing that hits you is the living space. We're talking plush leather seating, panoramic windows, ambient LED lighting, and an entertainment system with a giant 4K smart TV. The vibe feels more like a modern lounge than a motorhome. The kitchen? Oh, it's no basic RV kitchenette. Here you get a full-size refrigerator, oven, induction cooktop, premium sink design, and custom cabinetry. It's basically a gourmet chef's dream built into a truck. Move further in and you'll find the master bedroom, which honestly outclasses most hotel rooms. A queen-sized memory foam bed, luxury bedding, mood lighting, and plenty of storage space make it feel like a private retreat. And then comes the bathroom, space that truly sets the T2000 motorhome apart. You've got a rainfall shower, LED mirrors, and spa-style finishes that make it feel nothing like your average motorhome bathroom. But let's not forget the heart of what makes this machine so special. The Kenworth engineering. The T2000 chassis delivers legendary power and durability, while advanced driver assistance and smooth suspension make long hauls feel effortless. You can travel coast to coast in style and comfort without ever missing home, because this is home. This motorhome is perfect for families, luxury travelers, or anyone who wants to experience freedom without giving up comfort. And yes, it comes at a price that rivals high-end real estate. But for those who can afford it, the 2026 T2000 is the ultimate road mansion. So what do you think? Would you trade a traditional house for this luxury on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to Auto Plus for more reviews of the most exciting trucks, motorhomes, and futuristic vehicles hitting the road. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep riding in style.